Westermans here again with a set of conventional welding rotators with the option of wireless remote. Gives you the ability to forwards, reverse on a pendant without any cables attached. These can be fitted to rotators we have in stock, 5 ton, 10 ton, 20 ton. More details available westermans.com. You obviously have the variable speed on the remote. You also get direction, forwards and reverse. Nice when you're trying to actually weld on a vessel with a column and boom. One less thing to have dangling around, and this is also magnetic, so will actually sit to your job when needed. Turn it the right way. Like I say, wireless remote available as an option on rotators that we carry in stock. Thank you for looking.